Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is NK Joy Sweet Kitchen. In case you are coming across this video for the first time, I am NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be notified. And thank you all for 205 subscribers. Today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious Nigerian Party Jollof Rice. This jollof rice is giving. This jollof rice is winning awards on my Facebook page. I got so much reaction and so much comment. So I'm going to heat up the vegetable oil in a large pot, and I will sweeten the chopped onion with the diced pepper. Guys, this step is very important. Whenever you want to cook stew or jollof rice, always parboil your tomatoes with salt. And don't go ahead frying tomatoes and later you start frying the tomato paste. It's not giving that way, guys. This is the best way to fry your stew or making jollof rice. So now I have poured the tomato paste. I'm going to allow to cook for 5 minutes. So I'm going to fry until it look as if it foam lump. Then I'm going to add the parboiled tomatoes. Guys, the taste of this jollof rice is the best. The taste of this jollof rice is giving. It's just like you when you are cooking rice and the tomatoes is not well cooked. It's like licking orange that has no taste, and something is inching your ear and your mouth. Guys, this rice is giving. The taste is amazing. This is how I always cook my stew and jollof rice. I make sure I parboil the tomato first with salt. It gives my stew and jollof rice the best taste. So I just allow the tomatoes to boil a little bit. Then I'm going to season with thyme, curry powder, onion powder. And once I'm done seasoning the stew, I'm going to stir very well and cover the pot. Then I will allow the tomatoes to cook very well. Please guys, don't just watch my video without liking, without dropping me your comment. It means so much to me. Your comments encourage me to continue doing more. Please guys, support your sister. Help me to grow my channel. If you're on TikTok, you can follow me on my TikTok account at nkjoysweet, and my Instagram handle is at nkjoysweetkitchen. So I'm going to scoop out some tomato stew and set aside for for next. Then I'm going to pour in the rice, the parboiled rice. Then I'm going to stir very well. So I've added the turkey stock, and I will add water enough to cook the rice and bay leaf. So I'm going to stir everything together. I didn't add butter. I usually add butter whenever I'm cooking jollof rice, but this very one I did not add any butter. So I'm going to season with seasoning cube and stir. So I'm going to add the remaining tomato stew on top of the cooked rice. So I'm going to stir very well. At this point, the rice is almost done and the water is completely dried. So I just added just a little water. Then I'm going to cover. So at this point, I want to get the topical smoking flavor associated with the Nigerian Party Jollof Rice. So I have to deliberately burn the rice at the end of the cooking. Remember, it is the steam that cook the rice and not the water. The quality of the pepper mix and rich stock also contributed to attaining a delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Guys, check out the rice. Check it out. If you love what you are seeing, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you.